we are going to discuss breeding experiments. Controlled breeding experiments. What are these controlled breeding experiments? These are the controlled breeding experiments are carried out using artificial insemination and multiple ovulation. Artificial insemination and multiple ovulation. So, an embryo transfer method. So, so now what is this controlled breeding techniques? Breeding is nothing but producing offsprings. So how can we do it in a controlled way? This is known as controlled breeding experiment. These are carried out by three methods. One is in artificial insemination, multiple ovulation, and embryo transfer method. Two steps actually. So what is this artificial insemination? It is a technique in which semen is collected from superior bulls and introduced into the female reproductive tract when female is in heat. This semen can be used immediately or can be frozen and used for a later period. It is transported in frozen from one place where female is housed. In this way, desired crosses can be made. So when here the superior bull's semen is collected and introduced into the female reproductive tract of the cow when the female is in hot, it's in the period of menstruation. This semen can be of two types. One is freshly collected and the other is frozen one. So frozen one is mostly used when the cow is far away from the bull. So in these situations the semen is frozen, and the other is multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. Multiple ovulation and embryo transfer is one more important SAQ, one more important SAQ. So when you read this one answer, you'll be able to answer two SAQs. So the following are the steps involved in MOET. What are the steps? First, the cow is administered to hormones such as FSH. The FSH, due to this administration of FSH hormone, follicular maturation and superovulation takes place. What is this follicular maturation? During a menstrual cycle, one follicle is matured and released out. This is called follicular maturation and one ovulation. So when we are introducing or administrating the cow with FSH, multiple ovulation takes place. That is, more than one ovule gets matured, more than one follicle gets matured, and they get ovulated, they get matured, or they get released. So the animal or the cow is either mated with elite board or artificial insemination. In the above method we have studied what is artificial insemination. So the cow is mated with a bull, or it can be mated artificially by insemination. So the embryos are transferred after fertilization. The embryos will be growing. So when the embryo is at 8 to 32 cell stage, they are recovered non-surgically and transferred into surrogate method. Again, after the baby is born or the offspring is born, the mother is ready for the next insemination. Thank you.